In this video, I will show you how you can change the default search engine in Google Chrome from Yahoo to Google or any search engine of your choice. First, see that my default search engine is Yahoo. If I search anything, the search engine of Yahoo will be giving the results. So how to change that? Go to these three vertical dots and then go to the settings, and in the settings come down to a portion where it is written search engines. It is search engine used in the address bar. Right now it is Yahoo. If I go to the manage search engines, it will show me that the default search engine is Yahoo right now. So I'll just go back and change this engine from Yahoo to Google. And now if I go to the manage search engines, my default search engine is Yahoo. So I'll exit the settings. So open a new tab and search. Now you see that the results are coming from the Google, which means that now my default search engine has been changed from Yahoo to Google. That's how you can change your default search engine in your Google Chrome browser. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.